Join me as I try to boost my productivity by testing out these 5 home office essentials. When it comes to being productive while working from home, having the right tools and setup can make all the difference. That's why today, I want to share with you the top 5 home office essentials that can help you stay focused, organized, and motivated. We've all been there trying to work from home, but getting easily distracted by the TV, our phones, or even the laundry that needs to be done. Or maybe you're someone who struggles with staying organized, and your workspace is cluttered and chaotic. And let's not forget about the importance of ergonomics. Sitting for hours on end can take a toll on our physical and mental health. These are just a few of the common challenges people face when working from home. But what if I told you that there are simple solutions to overcome these obstacles? By incorporating a few essential items into your home office, you can transform your workspace and boost your productivity. From staying focused and motivated to improving your organization and ergonomics, these must-have items can make a significant difference in your daily workflow. First up, we have a noise-canceling headset. This has been a game changer for me, especially when I need to buckle down and focus on a task. It's amazing how much of a difference it can make when you're not distracted by background noise. Next, we have a standing desk converter. This has been a huge help in improving my ergonomics and reducing eye strain. I can switch between sitting and standing throughout the day, which has really improved my overall energy levels. Third on the list is a paper tray organizer. This has been a lifesaver when it comes to staying organized and keeping my workspace clutter-free. I can easily access the documents I need and keep my desk clear of clutter. Fourth, we have a set of color-coded folders. These have been super helpful in keeping my projects and tasks organized, and I can quickly identify what needs to be done. And finally, we have a productivity planner. This has been a huge help in keeping me on track and focused on my goals. But out of all these essentials, I have to say that the noise-canceling headset has had the most impact on my productivity. Not only does it help me stay focused, but it's also reduced my stress levels and improved my overall work experience. It's amazing how much of a difference it's made, and I highly recommend it to anyone who struggles with distractions while working from home. To recap, the 5 home office essentials that I recommend are a noise-canceling headset, a standing desk converter, a paper tray organizer, a set of color-coded folders, and a productivity planner. By incorporating these items into your workspace, you can overcome common challenges and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what your favorite office essentials are. If you're interested in optimizing your work-from-home setup, be sure to check out my next video. I'll be sharing more tips and tricks.